So I've already came to the apartment where I'm gonna stay for like 2 days, and after that I'm gonna go to my workplace, guys. Do a like short tour of this apartment because it's really wonderful and beautiful. I swear when I'm saying that. And yeah, just enjoy that. And if you like this whole journey, the travel and everything of mine, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So the moment you enter, you have beautiful area like kitchen cabinet, sofa, beautiful TV, and then here comes the best part, the bedroom. Everything is amazing, and the bathroom, my god, isn't it pretty and beautiful? Hurumale, and I am going to surprise my friend, and this is what I'm wearing, just a fit check, midi skirt and this top from my sister, and I did nothing, just some blush and lipstick and my sunglasses, half hairs, and for footwear.
The road is silent, no taxi, no hurry, just waiting and walking. कैब मिल गया है और अब मैं जा रही हूँ मेरे दोस्त के घर की तरफ. So let's see उसका reaction कैसा होगा. I just want to catch his reaction. That's it. So I'm now on my way to Hurumale Phase 2. By the way, did you know that Hurumale is a man-made island? And why I'm saying like this, because you will get to know this is a man-made island and it is so beautiful. Like, it's amazing. They have really big buildings and whatnot. The roads are alive, every lane filled with movements, just how I remember it. Yeah, this is a place that never really pauses actually. There's a comfort in this chaos, familiar sounds and familiar streets. Being back feels really right. That I'm in Maldives, yeah. Entering Hurumale Phase 2, the buildings feels bigger every time I return, standing tall over the man-made island roads. Yeah, guys. And finally, I'm here. That's my friend's apartment. Moving ahead, I'm going to take the lift. And this is home for now, yeah. Time to go to my friend and ask him how was he surprised or not by seeing after 4 months Mona. I'm just gonna go and check, and because I want some content, no. Bro, you tell me, were you surprised to see me, bro?
Bro, I was scared.
Why, bro?
I thought I'm a police come.
Really? And when you saw me, then what was your reaction?
खुश हुआ था, you know. I saw you after 4 months.
How are you feeling, bro, now?
Great.
Nice. Thank you very much. For my friend to come. Pata nahi kab aayega. Waiting at the arrival board, not my journey this time, waiting for a friend to land.
45 में 10:45 में चेक इन है.
मॉर्निंग का जा रहा है. आपको कैसा लगा है मुझसे मिलके?
बहुत अच्छा जगह.
Just look at my friend from top to bottom. He is 19 years old. Can you believe that? Because I can't believe that he's only 19 years old.
Be natural, okay? It should be natural, Sami.
It's not good.
No, it's very good. No problem. I'm not doing it particularly, peculiarly. I'm just doing it naturally because I just want to, I just want to catch your reactions, and you are just very lame, naive. I don't know what. Angry Sami, bacha Sami, baby Sami.
Hello, the shy Sami.
Hey.
Just say a single word for Mona. Finish. Sami, you have become fat. So for 2 days continuously I was traveling, my face needed some care, so I did some skincare. First cleanse the face and mask, gonna be for 10 minutes, and after that I'm gonna wash it off. Toner for the refreshment of the skin is a must, a must. you know. Serums from Korea for nourishment, yeah. And don't forget the lips, you guys, very important step, and locking it with skinning when you do the nice care clean routine. Doing the night walk, and we are in the hunt of some food. It's 2 a.m. in the night, and I am on Rumali streets with Aidin. Hello, meow. Hello. Hello, guys. Meow spotted. Walking through the streets with Aydin, that is good vibes, endless chatter, and exploring the city one street at a time. Just us, guys. Finally, I found the shop. This is me searching for ice cream. Actually, in the middle of the nights, I don't know what happens. I crave for it. So many choices, by the way, and I got these two of them. This is our haul. Midnight craving satisfied. Time to go home. Again, walk in, walk in, walk in, and walk in. By the way, thank you so much, Aydin.